hey guys, how are you doing? I was just reading Maria Celebrates Brazil. Do you want to hear it? Okay, the story is Maria Celebrates Brazil. Maria and her family are in the bright, hot kitchen. Please, Maria, por favor, Maria begged. Maria speaks Portuguese. This is the language of Brazil. No matter how much you beg or plead, you must go to practice. The parade is next week. It's not fair, says Maria in English. Maria does not know a lot of English. Maria is surprised when she asks, what is not fair about going to practice? You must do the right things. Anna invited me to her house, Maria answered. I want to go. Paia says, Maria, the parade is important. People from around the world come to see it. They try out our food, see how we dress, and how we live. It is a chance for us to share our culture. I know, but I really want to see Anna, says Maria. Paia says, Maria, you can see Anna another time. They are giving out costumes at practice today. Maria thinks about her father's words. Paia is right. She and the other children have worked hard for a year. They practice their dance steps over and over. They even made their own bright, colorful costumes. You're right, Maria says to her father. I'll go to practice. I'll tell Anna I cannot visit her. 1 week passes. Lots of people line the streets. The children in Maria's group are wearing the sparkling costumes. They know each dance step. They dance to the beat. Dun, dun, dun. The crowd moves aside as they make their way down the street. When the crowd moves away, Maria sees a woman with a camera. She is hurrying. The woman scurries by Maria. She puts her camera to her eye. Maria smiles from ear to ear. She is excited to be in the parade. Click! The woman takes a picture of Maria. Maria is proud of her hard work. Now that the story is done, visualize. When you visualize, you use the author's words to form pictures in your mind about the story. Find text evidence. On page 41, Maria Celebrates Brazil. What words does the author use to help you visualize the costumes? I read that the children made bright and colorful costumes. This helps me visualize the parade. Your turn. What does Maria do in the parade? Reread page 42 and visualize parts of the story that help you answer the question. Character. Setting events. A character is a person or an animal in a story. The setting of a story tells where and when and where a story takes place. The events are what happens. Find text evidence. As I reread page 39 of Maria Celebrates Brazil, I learn who the characters are, what they do, and where the story takes place. Characters. Maria, Mai, and Pai. Setting. Maria's kitchen. Events. Maria wants to miss practice to go to her friend's house. Your turn. Continue reading the story. Then fill in the information in the geographic organizer. Realistic fiction. The story Maria Celebrates Brazil is realistic fiction. Realistic fiction means is a made-up story with characters that could be real people, has a beginning, middle, and end, and all that. Find text evidence. I can tell that Maria Celebrates Brazil is realistic fiction. The characters are like real people. Also, the story has beginning, a middle, and end. Story structure. In the beginning of the story, I read that Maria wants to skip practice and go to a friend's house. Your turn. Tell about events that happen in the middle and end of the story. Root words. To understand the meaning of a word you do not know, try to separate the root word from the endings, such as ed or ing. Find text evidence. As I read the word hurrying, I can split the root word hurry from the ending ing, which can mean something happening right now. I think hurrying means moving quickly right now. Maria sees a woman with a camera. She is hurrying. Your turn. Use the root words to figure out the meanings of the other words in Maria Celebrates Brazil. Worked, page 41. Practiced, page 41. Readers 2. Good writers make sure that they create a strong beginning by telling about the characters and the problem they are facing. Reread the passage from Maria Celebrates Brazil. Strong beginning. Identify important details about the character and events. How do these details create a strong beginning? Writers. Petra wrote a realistic fiction story. Read Petra's revision. Jan's show. It was the night of Jan's show. Her legs didn't feel steady. Jan had been practicing all month. I know I can do this, Jan thought. She heard the music start. Jan took a deep breath and smiled. Her legs weren't shaking anymore. Okay, I'll just read the vocabulary and we are done. So, our vocabulary for the day is use the picture and sentence to learn each word. Aside. Culture. Jan moves aside books on the shelf to find one he likes. Describe why a person might move aside. Culture. At Chinese New Year, we learn about our culture. Tell about a holiday that shows your culture. Fair. Mom cut the cake, so we all got our fair share. What does it mean to be fair? Invited. I invited some friends to my birthday party. Tell about an event you were invited to. Language. My friend Noam speaks and writes another language. What language do you know? Plead. I had to plead with Dad to get a new bike. What is something you might plead for? Scurries. The squirrel scurries across the yard. What is the opposite of scurries? I don't know. Share. I like to Share music with my sister. Describe something you share with a family member. Your turn. Pick 3 words. Write 3 questions for your parent and partner to answer. Bye. Hope you have a great night.